So first of all, we're going to talk about the firmware and how to program your ESP32. If you choose to build it with no screen and no battery, you need to choose this one. You need to just click it and then connect your ESP32 like this and click connect. Then click COM8 like this. Click connect and click install. Also, you can click this button, logs and console, and click reset device so you can check if your connections are successful. As you can see, I already built mine, so it says successful, as you can see here and here. Okay, so if you attached a screen to your build, you need to choose this 0.96 OLED and choose the first one. You have to choose this or the screen won't work. And just click connect, choose COM8 again, and that's it. Also, you need to download this driver, which I will leave a link to it in the description. So how you download it, you come to this page, you choose this first one, Universal Windows Driver. You click it, it will download this folder. You go to the folder, right click it, you need to extract the files, click OK. And now you have this file. It's after it got extracted. Timelapse, you need to right click it and click install. Click open and that's it. Click OK. And now go back here and you can install your code on the ESP32. So that's it for the firmware. Now I will show you the blueprints. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the blueprints. First we will start with the battery and screen blueprint. I'm going to explain what's going on here. First of all, the battery gives power to this module and you can charge it from here, so you can charge the battery and then output the current safely into the screen, positive and negative, and then into the HSPI and VSPI, and then you have here 10 UF capacitor 50 volts and a ceramic 100 NF 50 volts. This isn't like you don't have to use this at all, but it makes it a better range. Also, here is more info about this build if you need it. This is a guide from Okay, now we will see the one with no battery. This is a much simpler build. No screen, no battery, no switch, no charging module. Just powered with the. You need to power bank or any power source. And here's the connection guide. You can screenshot it if you want. Okay, so that's it for the blueprints. Now I'm going to show you how to build it. And here is the final product. I put the battery here and the switch here, the charging module here, and I put another PCB under it like a sandwich. And now you can power it on from here. And you can change modes from the boot button, like this. Bluetooth low energy, Wi-Fi, and remote control, like this. And then you can turn it off from here. Now I'm going to show you what it does. So now let's run it. Let's see what it does. Oops. As you can see, it completely killed it. Now if I turn it off, if I turn it on, yeah, that's it. So now we're going to test the Wi-Fi jamming. Now I'll power it on and change the mode to Wi-Fi. Let's see it. As you can see, it killed my Wi-Fi. Also, it killed my Wi-Fi connections. As you can see, 0 bars. There's like no connection at all. So thank you for watching. If this device helped you, please leave a like, because this video took me over a week to make, to research how to make this. So yeah, please support me with a like. Bye bye.